everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So yesterday in my Walgreens and CVS haul, a lot of you guys just said that you want my shirt, you love my shirt. I have worn this shirt quite a few times, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna bring it back because it's actually been over a year since I had these shirts available. Now, I ended up getting a hold of this company, Bonfire, and I said, hey, I want to design a shirt to sell so we could all, you know, wear the same shirts. And so I said I want the thing to say Coupon Addict, and I had coupons and barcodes and scissors and carts and everything. So the guy helped me draw it up, and we sold it. So I have quite a few of these shirts that I wear all year long, but I wanted to share with you guys in case you want to get a shirt. Now, a lot of you guys did say you were interested in buying them, so which is awesome. I need to have a minimum to sell before they ship. So they give you 2 weeks to sell them, and then if you hit your minimum, which I have to sell 11 shirts to make them. If I don't sell 11 shirts, they don't make them. So just giving you guys a heads up, but there are 5 or 6 different shirts to choose from. They do vary in price depending on what size you want, but here is just your regular plain crew neck t-shirt. It comes in 5 different colors. You got black, gray, blue, purple, which I was wearing, and then we also had like a maroonish red. Then they are $15.99, and then I think they go up when it's a 2X and a 3X. So for a 2X, it's $16.99, and for a 3X, it's $17.99. So it just depends on what size you guys need. Now, you can get as many shirts as you want. I have this shirt in a purple and a black, and I wear them all the time. They're a very soft shirt, super comfortable. They're a lot cheaper, or they're a lot softer than, like, you know, your cheap t-shirt you could go get at Michael's and decorate. So just giving you guys a heads up. I also have a hoodie. I have the hoodie in a purple, and I love wearing it. I wear it all the time, especially like in fall when I don't want to wear a jacket. But the hoodies are $28.99, and then it is $30.99 if you get a 2X. There is no 3X. But the colors available in the hoodies are gray, black, blue, purple, and maroon also. So you guys can get a hoodie. The hoodie is super soft. I wear that all the time. We also have a tank top. Now, I actually do have the tank top. The tank tops are okay. I will wear it when it's a hot summer day, but there's only 3 colors available for this one. You got your gray, you got your black, and then you have your navy blue. Those are currently $16.99, but then they are $17 and $18.99 if you get a 2X or a 3X. We also have the long sleeve shirt. I also have this shirt too. I ended up buying them because I wanted to try every single one. So we have a gray color. Those are $19.99, and then it is $18.99, and then $19.99, and so either $18.99 or $19.99, sorry, depending on what size you got. But you have a gray, there's a black, a purple, a maroon, and then there's a green. And I actually have this green. It's comfortable. The fabric is not as soft as the t-shirts are, but it's still a good, comfortable, you know, shirt to wear. I sometimes wear this. If you guys ever see me, I wear this when I'm lounging around the house. And then we have a baseball tee, which I think I do have a baseball shirt. I think I have it in the blue one. I haven't seen it for a while. But the baseball shirts are $18.99, and then for a 2X it's $20.99, and for the 3X it's $21.99. But it comes in the gray, the green, the blue, which this is the one that I have, and then also a red if you guys want to wear those shirts. And then if you prefer a V-neck, because I know some people prefer a V-neck over a crew neck, you guys can definitely go ahead and do this. Again, it's $15.99, and then it's $16.99 if you do a 2X. But these are only available in 4 colors. You got your gray, the black, a navy blue, and then a purple. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Shipping is $3.99. Now, I think the more you buy, the shipping costs more. So definitely check that out. You guys can also pay with PayPal if you want. So if you guys have some Ibotta money, or any app money that you want to get rid of, you can send it to your PayPal account, and you can pay through PayPal. You can also pay with credit card, and there's other ways to do it. But what happens is, if you guys order this shirt, it tells you right here on the bottom how many days you get to order it. So right now here we got 13 days, 9 hours, and 58 minutes to order this shirt. So basically you guys have 13 days to order the shirt. So today is June 15th. So they give you pretty much 13 days from now. So they will start shipping on July 6th. So basically, I think the campaign will end on the 5th, you guys, and then I think they start shipping on the 6th. Now, they'll go for 2 weeks, and then if I get more people who want some after the 2 weeks, I'll maybe put more, but I have to sell a minimum of 11 every single time they do a campaign. So, just giving you guys a heads up if you want these shirts. I love them. I wear my shirts all the time. If you guys have watched my videos, I wear them all the time. Super soft and comfortable, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up if you want to order them. Thank you guys for watching. I will put the link below so you guys can order them, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.